Hey everyone, it's Shane, the senior student at Black Horse Tai Chi, and this is 1 minute and 17 seconds of real life Tai Chi. So in the Tai Chi form, the loosening exercises and push hands, our teacher Casey Payne always teaches us that our hands are supposed to follow our waist, and that movement is supposed to be generated from the ground. So first the waist moves, and then the hands move. First the waist moves, and then the hands move. You can apply this to many aspects of real life, but today, this next clip shows you how to apply it to vacuuming your carpet. Thanks all you guys for watching. This has been 1 minute and 17 seconds of real life Tai Chi.